Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 16.5 update not showing on my iPhone. So guys, let's go start this video without wasting any time. So guys, here you can see guys, iOS 16 new version is released but not showing on my iPhone. When I open the website settings, tab in general, tab in software. So here you can see that the new update is not showing on my iPhone. So guys, how can we get the latest update on my iPhone? So simply go back, and then after this the next solution is check your sorry first of all restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can help resolve software glitches. Press and hold the power button and volume up at the same time. Drag the slider to power off your iPhone. So wait for a few seconds. Turn it on again to tap on power button. So wait for a few seconds. So open the lock screen, enter your iPhone password. So go to settings again, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your password, tap on reset network settings. So wait for it. So after resetting your network settings, after this the next solution is remove any profile. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on VPN device management, tap on any profile. So guys, if you have installed any profile, remove all the profiles from here. Right now, go back, close the settings, open settings again, go to general, tap on software update to check if the update is available or not. So you can see that the new update is available on my iPhone right now. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.